Hello, my name is John Etkin, and I'm a resident of Collierville, Tennessee. Lived here now since 1983, 41 years, hard to believe. And we've watched Collierville grow from a town of 7,000 residents to well over 50,000 residents. I moved here in 1983 to assume my first role as a teacher and coach at Collierville High School. Since then, I've obviously assumed many roles and retired in 2019 as the superintendent of Collierville Schools. Why do we love Collierville? Wow, for the many things it offers its residents, from young to old, the parks, the walking trails, the programs that it offers, kids and adults of all ages, for the many opportunities to worship in town. The Fair on the Square is the first weekend in May, and here we are, and I urge all of you to come out and visit that. It's a fun time. So if you have not been to Collierville and don't know anything about Collierville, come on out and visit us. It's a fun place.